Update: so I called Polly a little bit over an hour ago and it's very anticlimactic. I talked to Polly and she wanted to know the dates that he was still chasing me. I told her what I could recall, and it seems like there was a few month gap between them meeting and his last attempt. I assured her never once since social media became a thing did he try to reach out to me. She said that she found out about 6 or 7 years ago Buzz tried to find me on Facebook by stalking some of my old friends he knew, which added to her paranoia. They went to marriage counseling and all that. Apparently Buzz was a mess. He went deep into alcohol and even screwed around with hard stuff, introduced to him by none other than his said best friend, who passed a few years after because of all of that. Polly hated and was hated by his best friend, and when he tried to come between Polly and Buzz's relationship, Buzz saw his best friend was a massive jerk and went no contact. She said that she didn't mean to accost me at the wedding, but she's always been insecure about me. She was drunk, and those first years of insecurity all came back to her. She said I was prettier than her and saw pics that he had stashed away or in family photo albums. She said she always felt deformed because of a repaired cleft palate. She is very pretty, and I reassured her. She said the family was in disbelief over my very short abandonment, and a few times shortly into the relationship, his family would slip up and call her my name. Or she'd hear them reminiscing about a family vacation I was on with them, or how good a few dishes I made were. She also said that Buzz confirmed he cheated, followed by a bunch of excuses. I said that I really didn't care to hear what he told her. I said that I wish him no ill will, and I'm truly glad that he settled down and found happiness, but I am done with this. I don't want to reconnect with any family members. I don't want her calling me because of his wrongdoings. I just want to return to our very separate lives. She did ask how I found the strength to just leave like that. I told her that I had an amazing role model and mother, strong support system of family and friends. We had no shared resources to divide, and I have a low tolerance for bullcrap. Polly was quiet and said thank you. We then hung up. Of course now I'm wondering if she's thinking Buzz is cheating on her, and that's why she asked me about my strength. I blocked her. I do wish her all the best, and I'm going to return to my very apathetic life. I hope that everyone knows their worth and has the strength to do what needs to be done.